And we are entering the supermarket with a jump of Mr. Ugo. Good morning. We're in Stockholm, Sweden. First day. We are full of energy.
Yes.
Sofia, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello.
Is it too late for love? Is it too late for love? I wanna know. Is it too late for love? I can take no more. Is it? Hear me. Hear me, hear me. Hey, how you been?
Perfect.
Hey, how you been? I wonder, do you ever leave? Say, am I wrong to wonder if it could be you and me? Is it too late for love? Is it too late for love? I wanna know. Is it too late for love? I can take no more. Is it? I could be the sun that lights you down. Maybe I will let your world with just one smile. I could make it burn for you and me. If I could be there, I would be there. Hear me, I could be the sun that lights your down. Hear me, I could make it burn for you and me. Days came and went. Nothing ever really felt the same. You left a space where everything reminds me of your face. Is it too late for love? Is it too late for love? I wanna know. I could be the sun that lights you down. Maybe I will let your world with just one smile. I could make it burn for you and me. If I could be there, I would be there. Hear me, I could be the sun that lights you down. Oh no, hear me, I could make it burn for you and me. The reaches home. Maybe we know the ocean carry on. Maybe I will let your world with just one smile. I can make it burn for you and me. If I could be there, I would be there. Hear me, I could be the sun that you're down. Is it too late for love? Is it too late for love? Is it?
Can't live without me. You wanna, but you can't. Nah. Think it's funny, but honey, can't run the show on your own. I can feel my body shake. There's only so much I can take. I'll show you how a real queen behaves. No damsel in distress, don't need to save me. Once I stop breathing fire, you can't take me. And you might think I'm weak without a sword, but if I had one, it'd be bigger than yours. All of the kings had their queens on the throne. We would pop champagne and raise a toast to all of the queens who are fighting alone. Baby, you're not dancing on your own. All the kings had their queens on the throne. To all the queens who are fighting alone. Baby, you're not dancing on your own.
We're closer to the sky view. We're walking a lot. We're sweaty, but indeed we are. And yes, as you can see, it's not crowded a lot. Yes?
It's easier to do.
Little bit. compared to France, it's not crowded at all. It's like we are in a desert. Yeah. There it is. How do you feel? Sophia, how do you feel? Sleepy. Hugo, how do you feel?
I'm feeling really great, really beautiful, I think. I hope too.
Me too.
Can't take me, and you might think I'm weak without a soul, but I'm stronger than I ever was before. All the kings had their queens on the throne. We would pop champagne and raise a toast to all the queens who are fighting alone. Baby, you're not dancing on your own. All the kings had their queens on the throne.
Our trip has finished. We are in the central station of Stockholm. Yes, we are leaving, as Sophia said, and we are going to find our gate to go to the airport to get the bus and go to the airport.
Oh my
It was
God.
a
And this is the
really
line for the race 5.
no other. Yes,
Perfect.
it was an amazing experience in Stockholm. It was a great experience, and also in Copenhagen. About Copenhagen, Stockholm.
Me, I prefer Stockholm, but both awesome, but Stockholm.
It was a really great experience. Both cities are perfect, but expensive.
A world you won't forget. No damsel in distress, don't need to save me. Once I stop breathing fire,
Look here.
you can't take me. And you might think
Look.
I'm weak without a soul,
look perfect.
but I'm stronger
This is for
than I
free.
ever was
Too much.
before.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Had their queens on the throne. We would pop
I
champagne
am
and raise
mad.
a toast.
Non. Si,
I'm her mother.
Ah, c'est bon.
Today we didn't eat anything.
Non, ça vient.
It has been so long since I ate the ice cream and Sophia chicken burger from McDonald's. We miss so much McDonald's.
You don't want ice cream?
Yes, too much. Or even McFlurry.
You should take a cheat day, baby.
Sophia, as you can see, is today really extra beautiful. Extra. You can see her from.
I thought you was talking about the day.
No, Sophia is extra beautiful. Her hair is perfect, but she's
Made
always
from
perfect.
who, mate?
From her mother.